everyone, I'm really excited. I've just been to North City Council and I've had a look at the exhibition that they bumped in for us today. So it's our student exhibition. We've got some really beautiful large pieces created by our younger students of threatened species such as the koala and the hammerhead shark. And both of these species we have as an online art course, which I'm offering for free during the duration of the exhibition through our Earth Guardian Creative for Kids series. So please have a look at our link, have a look at my website. The links will be there for you to sign up and for your children to enjoy some free art classes during the school holidays, to learn about the threatened species, and to also come down and have a look at our student exhibition, which is really straight across the road from Victoria Station, the new metro line, so that's really easy to get to. Have a look, have a wander around. The exhibition is open from 9 to 5, Monday to Friday, and yeah, it's open to the public, so yeah, I hope you can pop in, have a look. Otherwise, go online and join our free online art classes. Bye, thank you.